All right, guys, 2009 Hyundai Santa Fe. We're replacing the rear sway bar bushings. So it's, it's got some age on it. Looks like it's a little wallered out there. You can see a gap. So we got our new ones off Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. It's K200 740. So this is what the new one looks like. So we got a couple 12mm nuts here holding this on. So we'll get some penetrating oil on those and we'll zip those off. Both nuts are out. Now we gotta try to pound this up. Just like that. All right, there's some pressure on the bushing here. So I'm gonna use this small jack to take the pressure off. We'll just get it under the control arm. All right, now it'll slide out easier. Like that. And you can tell the difference here. Pretty worn out. And this new one's sliced at the bottom instead of kind of on the side. All right, so I'm gonna put a little bit of grease on the inside here. I just got some Super Lube synthetic. And I'll just put some on the bar itself too. All right, go ahead and slip this over. And there's a stop on the bar, so you can only push it so far. And then we'll go ahead and put this cap back on. Like that. Put the nuts back on. And snug them up. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.